Hi everyone, and welcome to Get Your Legs Down, the Caravan and Motorhome YouTube channel. And thank you to Bob Earnshaw for the footage for this video, which takes us to Strathclyde Country Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site, just southeast of Glasgow. Now this must be one of the easiest site arrivals I've ever seen. We're starting on the M74 and we're looking for junction 5, which is signposted the A725. Strathclyde Country Park is directly accessible from this roundabout. In this case we're heading from the south, so it's going to be the 5th exit. As you exit the roundabout towards the park, you'll see a Toby carvery on the right hand side there, which may or may not be of interest, and the road to the site is coming up on the left. Turning into the site, which will be on the left, is in approximately 180 metres. And here we are, nice easy one this one. Site's open all year round, it's open to non-members and has 157 pitches, 107 of which are hard standing. Thanks once again to Bob for the footage, and thank you to you too for watching. See you on the next one.